B is for Bulldozer, a construction ABC by June Sobel. Do you see an asphalt for paving the road and a big shiny bulldozer pushing a load? I see a crane way up high in the sky and a rusty red dump truck rumbling by. Here comes an excavator to dig a huge hole. Nearby there's a forklift hauling a pole. Let's look for the grader on the roadbed and a man wearing a hard hat protecting his head. I spy an I-beam made out of steel and a jackhammer making a noise you can feel. Hear that kaboom! What a loud sound. Look, the huge loader scoops dirt from the ground. Watch people swing mallets at a swift pace, pounding the nails to hold parts in their place. Let's find the operator at the controls, guiding the pipes into the holes. The welders won't quit till the metal is bent, and the new safety rails are placed in cement. See the scaffolds come down before our eyes, while the workers pack up their tools and supplies. The underpass barrier is taken away. Now visitors enter its opening day. The construction work is finally done. Our excitement grows, we're ready for fun. For more than a year we watched the park bloom. Now hold on tight, here we go. Get set to zoom!